What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Have you ever wondered which is better, credit building loans or secured credit cards? You're aware that carefully utilizing credit can help you develop or enhance your credit score. But how can you develop credit if you can't acquire a standard credit card or loan because of your poor credit score? There are, thankfully, alternatives. Credit builder loans and secured credit cards are realistic solutions for folks with little or no credit history, or for people who have bad marks on their credit report. The ideal option for you may depend on how much money you have available for a security deposit, and if you want immediate access to the cash. What is a credit builder loan and how does it work? A credit builder loan is a type of loan that can help you improve your credit while also saving money. However, it does not function in the same way as a typical loan. If you're authorized, the lender deposits the loan amount into a savings account rather than giving you money. Depending on the loan period, you'll make payments to the lender for 6 to 24 months. When the loan period expires, you will get the whole loan amount. Some lenders may also refund the interest you paid on the loan while it was being repaid. To assist develop your credit, each payment you make is recorded to the three main credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Making on-time payments will help you establish yourself as a trustworthy borrower and improve your credit ratings. Credit unions, community banks, online lenders, and lending circles all provide credit builder loans. They are commonly offered in $300 to $1,000 increments. Most lenders will want the following information when you apply: employment information, pay stubs, if employed, or tax returns, if self-employed, monthly housing payments, outstanding balances on existing loans, checking and savings account balances, personal references. When applying for a credit builder loan, certain lenders do not need a credit check. They may, however, use check systems to check your banking history. So, even if your credit isn't ideal, but your banking history is, you could be accepted. Another alternative for building or rebuilding credit is a secured credit card. These cards are intended for high-risk customers who may have difficulty qualifying for standard credit cards due to a lack of credit history or poor credit. Secured cards vary from typical unsecured cards in that they need a refundable security deposit when the account is opened. This deposit is normally equal to the credit limit you'll have on the card, although some credit card issuers may give you a credit limit that's larger than your initial deposit or will increase your limit later without requiring you to make another deposit. If you don't make your payments on time, you'll forfeit your deposit and your credit. You can use the card as you like up to the credit limit. Unless you close the card or the creditor decides to upgrade you to an unsecured account, the security deposit will stay on file. If the account is closed in good standing, the deposit will be reimbursed to you in any case. Traditional banks, internet banks, credit unions, and other financial organizations all provide secured credit cards. You can apply for a card online or in person at a physical branch of the card issuer, if applicable. In most cases, a credit decision will be made within minutes. Do you have a hard time deciding between a credit building loan and a secured credit card? Your best selection will be determined by your requirements, financial status, and other considerations. If you want to save money while creating or restoring your credit, credit builder loans may be a better option. They're also sometimes chosen over secured credit cards because they don't always require a credit check, and a credit builder loan may have lower interest rates than a secured card. Furthermore, if you pick a credit builder loan, you won't have to worry about the initial fee of a secured credit card. Secured credit cards, on the other hand, can be better if you need a little more flexibility. They work like ordinary credit cards and come with perks like travel and purchase protection as well as cashback incentives. Furthermore, some secured credit card issuers conduct periodic reviews of accounts and may approve credit limit increases without requiring an extra deposit. It's possible that the card may be switched to an unsecured product, in which case your security deposit will be returned. Now go, get that money.